Start this edition with the big breaking news that's coming in. The historic Gurudwara Kartarpur Sahib has been severely flooded following the release of large volumes of water into the Ravi River from east of Punjab. The visuals show the entire complex completely submerged with water entering the sanctum sanctorum of the Gurudwara Darbar Sahib. On-site sources report that the complex is waterlogged with stagnant water, submerging nearly 4 steps of the staircase and leaving 2 to 3 feet of water across the premises. The holiest site for Sikhs has been completely submerged. This is after continuous rainfall that Jammu has experienced. Remember, Kartarpur Sahib has never seen visuals like these, but today the holiest site for Sikhs has been completely submerged. This is the historic Gurudwara Kartarpur Sahib. 3 places from where we are getting you the visuals where Jammu battered by floods. The army is already conducting search operations. 22 CRPF had been rescued already, and Kartarpur Sahib that has been completely flooded. Gursimran, my colleague, is reporting live from Ground Zero on that note. Gursimran, talk us through what's the situation on ground is like and what are the precautions that the authorities are now taking.
See, right now we are in the Gadkhal area where the Chenab has broken down, has taken a different route and has entered 1.5 kilometer inside the civilian area where there was a fields of the locals. Now what we are getting to know that around 15 people, they have been trapped in this very this area, and what now the authorities are doing that the NDRF teams have been called in, and since the water levels are rising, the NDRF is now trying to get their motorboat into this very area so that they can reach that very place. I'll request Sarjeevan if we can come this way so we have a clear vision of the civilians that are stranded over a house. They have gone up on the rooftop of a house and now they are waiting for any help to reach them at that very place. It is in the Gadkhal area of Chenab, Akhnur, where the Chenab has actually it has entered the areas that were never touched by the Chenab in the past, and now it is making it really very challenging for the authorities. The NDRF teams have been called in earlier. The SDRF was also here along with the Jammu and Kashmir police, so that those people that are there at the top of that White House, they can be brought back, because they are said to be 10 to 15 in number, and it is making it really very challenging for the NDRF personnel to get these civilians out. We'll try to speak to some locals as well. चाचा मुझे ये बताइए कितने लोग यहाँ फंसे हुए होंगे?
सर हो गए 15 आदमी।
पता ये हुआ क्या था यहाँ पे?
ये इधर से बांध टूटने से इधर नदी इधर आ गया, पूरा कटरा हो गया।
बांध पूरा टूट गया?
पूरा बांध टूट गया। जो बांध टूटने से नदी एकदम इधर जो चुनाव नदी पर बहती थी ना, अब ये खेतों में बह रही है।
तो अब आपके खेत भी यहाँ पे
खत्म हो गया सर।
कितने अंदर आई होगी ये नदी?
नदी काफी अंदर आ गई होगी सर।
तो ये हुआ कब है?
ये सर कल को 5 बजे के बाद शुरू हो गया।
5 बजे के बाद। तो अब ये जो लोग हैं वहाँ से वो अभी सेफ हैं?
कुछ बैठे हैं दरख्तों पर बैठे हैं, कुछ बांध पर बैठे हुए हैं।
Some are sitting on the trees, some others on the rooftop, and also the top of that very barrage that was there, and also that White House that you see there. Also, a couple of people they have gathered there so that any help could reach them. But I'll request Sarjeevan to show you from this side that what is the situation.